Let's be real, we've all been there. Whether you're a student buried in essays, a marketer on a tight deadline, or updating your business website, we all turn to AI. It's powerful, but the content it generates is easily flagged by detection tools. But what if there's a way to fix that? Introducing PopAi's AI Paraphraser, the solution to making AI-generated content sound human. It's simple. Just copy the text generated by AI, paste it into PopAi, and hit one button. That's it. PopAi AI Paraphraser detects the robotic phrases, and with a click on Humanize, it turns the text into something that feels natural and human written. If you're a student, congratulations. You've just created a unique, plagiarism-free paper that will pass every check without a hitch. For business owners and marketers, PopAi makes your content feel authentic, connect with your audience, and truly reflect your brand. SEO experts, breathe easy. PopAi makes sure your content is optimized, so it won't get penalized and it'll rank higher. And if you're a digital marketer, get ready. Your content is about to become more engaging and better at driving traffic and sales. PopAi's AI Paraphraser creates high-quality original content. It easily passes through a wide range of AI detection tools. You can be confident that your work is both authentic and professional. So why wait? PopAi is here to make your work easier, faster, and more authentic. See the difference and take your writing to the next level.